Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bio7 YouTube channel. Today we will discuss topic how to analyze a Detrended Correspondence Analysis in past statistical software. The data already entered in the Excel sheet. This is for the ecological data in species distributions. The species 10 species we take. Then next for 0 to 100 meter for the hills height. The species distribution in the height range. The highest the species distribution for the 200 to 800 range the meter height in the hills range. This data analyzer for the Detrended analyzer in past statistical software. The data copy the data, the paste to the past statistical software. Go to the past statistical software. The first click the row attributed and the column attributed. The click the corner cell. The paste the data and unclick the column attributed and row attributed. The select the data. Go to the multivariate menu, Ordination, and the submenu for the Detrended Correspondence Analysis DCA. Click the menu. Then open the new tab for the Detrended Correspondence Analysis in past statistical software. This is scatter plot for the species distribution in the hills range. The value mentioned for the next tab, the row score and the column score. Now the segment 26 is a standard value. The 4 axis value is mentioned for the eigenvalue. The first axis the value for 0.695 and the second axis the eigenvalue 0.03406 and axis 3 the eigenvalue for 0.02517 and fourth axis value 0.008607. The next one the click checkbox for the axis 2 plus 3. This is change for the correlation value for the axis 1, 2 and the change for the axis 2 to 3. The click the checkbox, change to axis 2 to 3. Then unclick checkbox and next one for the row plot. The row plot for the hills range height. The next one for the plot column. The plot column is a species distributions and the label for the mention the label and then the group label. Then group label for all group and convex hills connected for the hills range. The hills range all the connected value and the next one for the 95% epsilon row value. This is all the hills range inner in the epsilon value and only the spore species for the out of the epsilon value, the species 8, 9 and the 7 and 5th. And next one for the value, the score value and the column scores. The first one for the hills range, the 0.50 meter. The 0.50 meter x1 value, the 457, the mention the value for the 457 and x2 value for the 0 to 50 meter 98. Then go to the score value, the 0.58 value for the x1, 0 to 50 meter x1 value 457 and the x2 value 98. This is 457 x1 and the x2 98. The next one for the 351 to 400 meter. Then 351 to 400 meter. Then this is for the 351 for 400 meter. The xs value for 263. This is x1 value 263. At the same time the x2 value 72. The next one hills range for the 801 to 850. Then 801 to 850 the value for the x1 value 137. At same time x2 value the 65. Then 951 to 100 meter range, the x1 value is a 0, the next two value is a 73. The 100 meter range x1 value is a 0, the x2 value is a 73. And the next one for the column score, the x1 and the x2 x3 value, the species mentioned for the column row values, the species 1 value x1 value 237 and x2 value 23. Then species 1, the species 1 the x1 value 237. At the same time the x2 value 23 and the species 5. The species 5, this is a species 5, the distribution the right side and the below corner. then value for the xs1 440, the value for the 440, the species 5 the x1 value is a 440, and at the same time the x2 value minus 79, the species by x2 value minus 79, the species by 440, the next two value the minus 79, and the third one for the species 6, the species for the left side corner, the left side corner present the x1 value the minus 75, at the same time x2 value 88, the species 6 the x1 value minus 75 and x2 value 88 and x3 value also 80. The next one for the species 9, the species 9 the right side up corner, then xs1 value 513, the 513 and x2 value is 203. Then go to the species 9, the 513 for the x1 value, at the same time the x2 value 203, then x3 value 53, the x3 value 53, they change the value. Okay, this is x3 value, the species 9 is a 53. Okay, this is for the scatter plot explain the Detrended Correspondence Analysis. The next one setting for the graph setting. This is click the button the graph setting. This is graph setting. Then thick line and another the change for the font is a Time Roman. Okay, font Time Roman and change the font size is 12. Okay, the increase the symbol size 3 to 4, 5, 6. This is increase the symbol size. Okay, the x starting the value for the minus 100, the x end value for the 600 and y start for the minus 100 and end of the 300. Okay, this is image export size for the 10197 and the height 636 and the export the graph, change for the format in the JPG. Okay, save as file. Enter the name. Detrended Correspondence. Okay, click the save button. Close. This is scatter plot for the Detrended Correspondence Analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our channel, please click the subscription. Thank you.